So why do we have this distinct vision, least distance of distinct vision different for different people, and angles of vision also different for different people? That is based on eye. So what are the main parts of the eye? If you know, we can understand the defects as well as the corrections and even these two topics. Let us see the main parts of eye. The front portion of the eye, that is called as cornea. It is a protective layer, protective membrane to the eye. The front portion is cornea, and next to cornea it is filled with a fluid called as aqueous humor, and after that there is a muscular diaphragm called as iris. Easy to remember, this iris is the colored portion of the eye. When you see a person, the eyes of the person appear to be black in color or brown in color, or rarely we see blue, sometimes green also. So the colored portion of the eye is nothing but iris. So that is how we can remember. Actual technical term is muscular diaphragm, that is called as iris, and for our understanding the colored part of the eye is iris. And this iris has a small hole at the center, and we call it as pupil, through which light enters our eyes. లైట్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో రూమ్లో అది మన కంటి లోపలికి వెళ్ళడానికి ఒక చిన్న హోల్ ఉంటుంది. దాట్ హోల్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ప్యూపిల్. వన్స్ ద లైట్ ఎంటర్స్ ద ఐ, ఇట్ కాంట్ కమ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు కంట్రోల్ దట్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ద లైట్ అకార్డింగ్ టు అవర్ నీడ్స్. సో యూ క్యాన్ expand it or else contract it. In bright light conditions, daytime we can say, so more light enters, so it has to be controlled, so it should be contracted. And in dim light conditions, let us say at night, dark rooms, when you want to view the objects, we have to strain our eyes, so we expand it so that maximum light enters our eyes to see the objects clearly. So this is how it takes place in the case of the pupil. And after this we have lens. Lens is generally convex. We have a convex lens in our eyes. This convex lens forms image on the screen. The screen present in our eye is retina. So it is the screen. The distance between the lens and the screen is fixed, 2.5 centimeters. 1 inch you can remember, 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters. So this cannot be changed. You can't move your lenses forward, backward. You cannot move your screen also forward and backward. So it is not possible. So image distance is fixed. When image distance is fixed, now object distance is changing. So it is not necessary that all the objects have to be placed at a particular distance. Some of them are far away from you, చాలా దూరంలో ఉంటాయి. ఒక చెట్టు ఉంటుంది, అది ఎక్కడో దూరంలో ఉంటుంది, అయినా మనకు కనిపిస్తుంది. బుక్స్ అట్లాంటివన్నీ మన కళ్ళ ముందరే ఉంటూ ఉంటాయి. All these are visible to us clearly. U is changing, object distance is changing. Then even then we are able to see the things very clearly. Then one more variable should be changing. That is nothing but focal length of the lens. V ఫిక్స్ గా ఉంటుంది, U చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఒక్కొక్క ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఒక్కొక్క డిస్టెన్స్లో ఉంటుంది. అయినప్పటికీ మనకు క్లియర్గా కనిపించాలి అంటే ఇంకొకటి మారాలి, అదే ఫోకల్ లెంత్. హౌ ద ఫోకల్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద లెన్స్ ఈస్ చేంజింగ్. దెర్ ఆర్ సమ్ మజిల్స్ అటాచ్డ్ టు ఐ లెన్స్ which is operated by those muscles. These muscles are called as ciliary muscles. ఈ మజిల్స్ ఐ లెన్స్ని ఆపరేట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాయి. సో సమ్టైమ్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిలాక్స్డ్ వెన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ అట్ అ ఫార్ డిస్టెన్స్. దూరంగా ఉందనుకోండి, అప్పుడు మనం స్ట్రెయిన్ అవ్వాల్సిన పని లేదు, మజిల్స్ రిలాక్స్ అయిపోతాయి, అప్పుడు ఈజీగా కనిపిస్తుంది. ఎంత దూరమైనా ఉండండి, 1 kilometer డిస్టెన్స్ అయినా పర్లేదు. నెక్స్ట్, when object is nearer to you, sometimes you may have to concentrate on that to have a clear vision. Then muscles have to contract to decrease the focal length of the lens. This decrease also has certain limit. ఎంత పడితే అంత తక్కువ చేయడానికి ఉండదు, ఒక లిమిట్ వరకు తక్కువ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద మినిమమ్ ఫోకల్ లెంత్ అండ్ మ్యాక్సిమమ్ ఫోకల్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద ఐ లెన్స్? లెట్ us see. And before we see that, there are two more parts, those are rods and cones in our eyes. Cones identify color of the object, whereas rods identify intensity of the light, that is brightness, dimness of the light is identified by the rods. అంటే ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ బ్రైట్ కండిషన్లో ఉన్న డిమ్ కండిషన్లో ఉన్న చూడాలి అంటే రాడ్స్ మనకి హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి. ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కలర్ని గుర్తుపట్టడానికి మనకి కోన్స్ హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి. టు ఫైండ్ ఫోకల్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ఐ లెన్స్ we require lens formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Here f is focal length and v is image distance, u is object distance. Now in this case, as I said, v is fixed 2.5 centimeters. అది మార్చడానికి లేదు. Distance between the eye lens and the retina is fixed 2.5 centimeters. So you take here 1 by 2.5 centimeters and we are going to find maximum focal length. And u is infinity. Let it be at somewhere else, far away from us, let it be infinity. And this minus is sign convention. U is always negative, so it is to be taken minus. So reciprocal of this infinity is 0, so we get here 0. 1 by f max is equal to 1 by 2.5. This becomes 0, so reciprocal of this gives maximum focal length is equal to 2.5 centimeters. So our eye lens has maximum focal length 2.5 centimeters. It can't be more than that. For any distance of object, we have taken here infinity. It can be 1000 meters, 2000, any number. So irrespective of that one, we get here maximum focal length 2.5 centimeters.